I got a lot of cleaning to do. And before we start the next project, this has got to get done, otherwise I'll lose my damn mind looking for everything. Alright, just like I said in the intro, we're going to be doing a little bit of cleaning today. Woke up today and I think I slept wrong. My wrist fucking is killing me. Calm down with the jokes down there in the hangry section. I may be single, but I'm not that single. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can try cleaning the shop somewhat entertaining for y'all. Not too bad considering I never played pumpkin pushing in high school. Everything has a place and everything should be in its place. Problem is this place is so disorganized, it never had a place to go initially. So, working with what we got. Need the second most dangerous tool in the shop to do this. And the first most dangerous tool is the tool running the tool. One day, we'll try and get the tungsten that's in this out of here. I haven't figured out how I'm going to do that, but I got a couple of ideas. Somebody should design some sort of lightweight attachment that hooks on the ends of these to make wrapping up cords a bit easier. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I think trying to get a grinder's cord wrapped up is always a pain in the cunning lingles. PHQUE that. We're gonna do this with power tools. I have no idea what I'm gonna do here, but I'll see what I can do. At least clean this corner up a little bit and then blow all the shit out of here. I know, lots and lots of filthy dead tree carcass. I'm guilty as everyone. What? You don't take tools out to put other tools away? What kind of animal are you? Back in the box go until next time that we need you. Or until I finally get in gear and build a cart for you. Not a very catchy tune, though, is it? What? They all can't be top 40 hits. I know, it's not OSHA approved, but it's better than them lying all around the shop near sparks and shit, right? Maybe? Look at all those pretties. My precious. My precious. By the way, these aren't brass. These three right here are aluminum bronze. That's brass. Ugly. Pretty. So pretty. Now, the plan is to get those from there to there without killing myself over the airline. There, one oxygen cylinder properly secured.
Jesus.
I suckered some poor sob into helping me move my forge back.
You picked a skinny guy.
Hey, you're here, you're physically capable. Now, that hurt.
Don't hurt yourself.
You want to move that one, I'll move this one?
Over there?
Over there, whatever. Alright, we'll do a quick sweep. We're going to take this bad boy and go.
Stop hurting yourself. Jesus.
Metal slivers, they're a fucking thing.
Yeah. Don't do that.
Alright, roll that, go back, go inside.
Just get this shit off the top of it.
Okay, so it's not attached to this base. Yeah, I'm thinking the size would be easier because so I'll go on this side and throw it in there. And burn it. Good enough for girls like us, Nate. See? Told you something to enjoy.
Thanks, Trey.
Now for the crowning jewel of any shop cleaning, the blow job. Gotta hit it twice to make sure it works. Don't worry, I didn't forget about you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Now, I also gave myself one, even though it might not look like it. One of the benefits about cleaning up is you tend to find things that you either A, forgot about, or B, just misplaced. And I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I found. Potential future projects, maybe, and or just for shits and giggles sort of thing. So let's go to that. First off the hop, we got rock and roll, hoochie coo. Anyways, this is one of the first projects I ever did. It is ugly by far. I will not deny that. I can't even remember if I did this with, I think this was one of my first MIG welding projects. And I just was going to the scrap bin and decided to make something and threw some paint on it, and yeah. Definitely think down the road we might try and make this look a little bit, how shall we say, aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Another thing that we found is from the prior owner, we got this starter here, and I don't know, I'm assuming it's a bad starter, and even if it's not, I don't know what it goes to. So for the hell of it, we might dig into this, take this thing apart, get into the insides and the guts of that, and take a look at everything. If nothing else, we'll get in there for this, because this is probably A60, correct me if I'm wrong, down in the angry section, but I believe this is A60 aluminum, so we'll be able to melt that down and add it to our pile of pretties. The other thing that I found was we got these adjustable feet that came probably from the bottom of the washer or dryer that I disassembled this last spring. And I'm thinking we'll use these for some sort of stand, tool bench, something along those lines in the future. And then last but not least, for the hell of it, we're gonna probably tear into this at some point in this snap-off POS drill. So find out why maybe this doesn't work and tell you the story and all that fun stuff behind it on why I hate it. This drill by itself is one of the reasons why I hate snap-off. So yeah, we'll get into that. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope I made it entertaining enough for you. Hit that like button, share with your friends. Get your jazz hand routine down on in the angry section, and Gabricob on, everybody.